Today we will discuss a common problem that we are facing while drawing on AutoCAD, that is, when we turn on the line weight, the line gets converted into points. Let us draw a line. At the rate 40 less than 0. Let us increase the thickness of the line, and you can see the line gets disappeared and it is converted into points. So for this you need to write a command Graphicsconfig, press enter, go to advanced mode, click on advanced mode and select basic mode. So when you will be pressing OK, again you will be able to see the line. Thank you very much.